That boy Slim.
So I thought I ran into you at the bar, and this young lady, she wears her red lipstick and glasses too. So
Lady got mad at me.
hold on. I was like, hold on, is that Leah? Hold on. Hey, that car is wondering what the fuck is going on.
Why are you wearing a pink vest that says?
So I'm Tulsa's first superhero. They call me Fluke Wayne.
Fluke Wayne.
Yeah, I'm a Bruce Wayne up Fluke Wayne. You are on Hood News, man. I'm actually recording this. Hood News.
I'm ugly.
Hood, no, you are gorgeous. The sunflower. Hey, man, what you want to say to Hood News, man? Hood News reporting her live.
Hey, real shit. Hey.
What you got? What
Hold
you
on,
got?
hold on.
You on
Hey,
Hood
listen,
News.
I want to say thank you to the city of Tulsa. I told my wife, hey, Delaware 244 in the trap.
Hey, my boy out here selling them buns.
Hey, Sunday afternoon. You got the election on.
Hey, my boy got power.
Hey, yeah.
In the city of Tulsa.
Yeah.
Only in the city of Tulsa.
Hey, you want me to say some real shit?
Man, we got
Hey, listen, I'm Jewish. I don't know if y'all know what the fuck that is, but okay, go ahead. Listen, I don't give a fuck, you're Hermitan. Y'all know what Hermitan is? Do you know what Hermo tan is? By the way, that's your skin tone.
Yeah.
Hey, that's called educate yourself.
Speak to him.
Hey, listen, I give a fuck what you came from.
This going on
Hey,
YouTube.
yeah, put it on YouTube. Hey,
This
you
going
come,
on
hey,
YouTube.
you come find me, Doghouse.
Right over there.
Hey, but you can look me up. Hey, I've been through shit. Hey, you don't ever let any motherfucker dictate who the fuck you are because of the shit that you went through before you could even dictate what the fuck you could even understand.
Man.
You let that challenge you, raise you, let it grow you.
Yeah.
Hey, listen, I was told I was a piece of shit, never amount to anything, be dead or in prison by my teachers. I'm my own business. Now, I might struggle. Hey, I struggle. But listen, fuck everybody.
Fuck them.
You do you. You do you.
Fuck them.
Fuck them.
Hey, my boy went Yoda on you now. Yoda on you motherfuckers. What you talking about? My guy out here serving it. My boy on
Hey,
Vice.
yo, 18 years. 18 years.
18.
I've slept in my food truck, bro. Negative 20 degree weather. Didn't even make no money, but still out there. It is what it is. Hey, listen, life. Hey, give a fuck. Hey, pull them pants up and quit feeling sorry for your goddamn self. Hey, listen, life is life. Who gives a fuck? Hey, and I'm looking at the motherfucking camera. I ain't looking at myself.
Yeah.
I'm looking at the motherfucking camera.
Tell them.
Quit feeling sorry for your motherfucking self. Life is life. Life is a fucked up deck of cards. You could choose to fucking whine and cry and piss and moan, or you can shut the fuck up and listen. Get on it.
Shut the fuck up and listen. This is coming from the boy. This is Hood News Report her live. You on Hood News, goddammit. You on Hood News, goddammit. Yes, sir. That's the Hood News for the week. We're gonna let y'all know what the fuck going on in the city of Tulsa, man. I'm talking about it. It's a crazy city, man. We got the boy back here. He getting to the bag. Are you getting to the bag? You need to ask yourself, man. Go replay this video, share this video, like, subscribe. New Boy Genius on YouTube, Fluke Wayne on Apple. Go run them streams up in the city of Tulsa, man. I'm the prince of my motherfucking city, dog. It looks like my throw villains are attacking the city with fireworks. I just defeated my throw villains. You should defeat yours. They over here vibing. My boy said he in love. That's what love is. That's what love is.
I'm trying to get laid. You don't even know
That's
the bitch's
love
name.
looks
He like, I don't know my dick can work, but I love you.
Oh, you good, bro. I got like one left, bro. Hey, bro. Yup. And we just caught a fall. This is not a bankroll. This is just a tank full. Yeah. Image just got a small. This marble originally lined the halls of the historic Atlas building, built in 1922 and located at 415 South Boston. Y'all know exactly where the fuck I work. I see this shitty ass marble all fucking 40 hours, nigga. Shout out to Tulsa. I'm working just to pay the rent. I'm trying to get these M's like I'm Drizzy, man. Go stream Fluke, Wayne. Hood news. Trying to get a couple more, yeah. Shawty want that $4, yeah. Big jeans, one small. These niggas don't know. Had a shawty out of Yokozuna. She the purest and she saw ya, man. Put her in my downtown, man. Eat a guts, let that thing, man. Oh. Big jeans on small, yeah. I just doubled up the doors. Finna go to McDonald's and I ain't went to McDonald's in about 4 months. Finna get an egg and cheese biscuit. Like 3 of them. Finna ball out at McDonald's. I'm finna ball out at McDonald's. But only after 3:30, yeah. Bad little bitch and she pretty, yeah. Bad little bitch and she perky, Image one more small, yeah. I just double out the doors. Shawty on a red rose, hey. It's gonna be an explosion. Image double out the doors, hey. Image double the doors. Butterfly my damn doors. Shawty want the whoa, yeah. Man, you can't even see the Reese's across the street, man. Silver City ain't got no power, man. Shit. Dark as fuck out here, man. It's dark as fuck.
That boy Slim. That boy Slim.
Eight mile on my way though. 918 my saison. I don't put no cape on, girl. I'm single like that Wayne song. Make moves like Jackie Chan. Young dude with a master plan. How you do what you do? Left hand with the talisman. That's Asian persuasion. I just need a Maybach. Shot my nigga too scared. I just call him 2 Chainz. That boy that got to it. Just no nigga do hate. I'ma let it rip, ball rip like Beyblade. My big bro got that flame. I just call him Flame on. I might turn to Iceman if I put this ice on. I'm just going brown. Lean whip that one time. Looking at my friend like, who can I really call on? Casanova OGD, late night call it Don. Kicking shit with Theron to this Honda turn McLaren, nigga. Dream major, that's a label. Love from my brothers, man, we can't be candy neighbor. Rose with my new flame. I rolled up like 2 things. Damn, I need my blue flame. Keep smoking like Chain Gang. Coldplay, yeah, I swing. Hit that wheel like Bruce Wayne. My boy got that purple in his cup, this ain't no Kool-Aid. Trey, what's your new name? New boy genius, gotta keep a clean fit. Michael Jackson beat it. I got fresh today as if my closet was the cleaner. You be talking big shit, I like just nobody seen it. 2-4, I'm too faded. Simpson, too wavy, ballin', Spalding. Man, I'm like the new McGrady. X keep calling, these all make me too shady. If you from my town, you know the drip, that's all like brown gravy. Gas all like Phillips. Gotta let my lady come. Big shot Billy. Selling out gymnasium. Wait until that 6-piece got my grip sparkling like space age. Kicking all these flows until my chins all big like Rampage and I'm go, yeah.
All right, that first video was a little extra, Drizzy. Listen, Drake, I'm in Tulsa, Oklahoma at the Marriott, man. Come snatch me out this bitch. We can go Fluke, Wayne, and the Maybach and drop about 30 hits 50 hit. You know what, Drizzy? I got 200 hits, Drizzy. If you sign me this weekend, holla at Fluke Wayne. Put the Fluke Wayne symbol all over Canada. Let's run it up, man. Fluke Wayne, we dropped the merch. Shit, you can get the 360 bundle on the merch, tour, and royalties. I don't give two. Cut me my deal. I need a 80-60. I need a 80-20. I need a 60-40. Can I get the 60-40, Drizzy? 60-40, that's fair. You getting 40% out of sales, publishing, tour, and merch. I'm in a 460 deal, you dig? Let's go. 60-40, Drizzy. Fuck with your boy. Yeah, it is. Fluke Wayne got it. Hood news over and out.